Dear friends, let us today we discuss about one of the concept of differential equation, formation of differential equation. Let we see how to form differential equation from a given relation. We will illustrate it with one example. Let we suppose example. The example is form a differential equation from the relation. Here we have been given a relation y is to be equal to a into e to the power x plus b into e to the power minus x. So this is our example from which we need to form a differential equation. We will have the solution to form a differential equation. So as we know, to form a differential equation from a given relation, it means that to eliminate the arbitrary constant which are denoted by a and b in this example by using derivative concept. So let we consider first relation. Y is to be equal to a into e to the power x plus b into e to the power minus x. So let we assume this is our equation 1, that is a relation. So to eliminate this arbitrary constant, there is a correlation between number of arbitrary constants and number of derivatives to be formed from this relation. So number of arbitrary constants is equal to number of derivatives. So here we have two arbitrary constants a and b, and so that we need to differentiate it two times. So first of all we differentiate this with respect to x first. So in this left hand side there will be dy by dx. In the right hand side, by using linearity concept of derivative, a constant, derivative of ex is ex itself, plus b constant, derivative of e to the power x is e to the power minus x, into by chain rule derivative of minus x is 1 itself here. And so that we will get a into e to the power x minus b into e to the power minus x. As we have to differentiate it one more times, we will again differentiating with respect to same variable x we will get. So now dy by dx is one more times differentiating, it will becomes d square y by dx square, and this will be again a e derivative of ex is ex minus b derivative of e minus x is e to the power minus x into minus 1. So now we have this one. This is to be equal to a times e to the power x, minus minus will be plus, b times e to the power minus x. But if we consider the equation 1, this a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x can be replaced by the symbol y, and so that we can write here y for this total term, and we give difference by 1, and so that we will get d square y by dx square is equal to y. That means that dx square y by dx square minus y is to be equal to 0. This is the required differential equation of your relation by using derivative concept. Let me consider the another example, that is relation y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Now we will differentiate this relation with respect to x. We will assign equation 1 for this one. So this is dy by dx to be equal to a into derivative of sin is cos x plus b into derivative of cos is minus sin of x. I am calculating derivative here directly, and this is to be equal to a cos x minus b sin x. Now again differentiating with respect to same variable x, we will get this term left hand side becomes d square y by dx square, and right hand side becomes now a into derivative of this cos is minus sin x, double derivative means derivative of derivative, minus b, and derivative of sin is cos of x here. So we will have minus taking outside, it will becomes a into sin x plus b into cos of x, and by using equation 1 we can replace the total term in the bracket. It will becomes y, correct? And so that we will get d square y by dx square minus will becomes plus, by changing this side, is equal to 0 is the required differential equation of your relation. Let me consider another example. Suppose y is equal to 4x. Now in this case we have equation 1. In this case here that a is an arbitrary constant, so this is only 1. So now we differentiate it only one times. Differentiating with respect to x, we will get now dy by dx, and this will be 4 into a, as it is derivative of x we need to have, as we are calculating derivative of functions only, not a scalars, and so this will becomes 4a. Now what to do in this case? We have to replace a. We have the value of 4a is dy by dx, and now you can replace this value of 4a, that is dy by dx, in equation 1. So let me use this write this equation 2. Using equation 2 in equation 1, we will get what will becomes, this will be y is to be equal to, what is it, 4a, it will be dy by dx into x. So this is nothing but value of 4a we replace in equation 1, and so that we will have x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. This is the required differential equation we obtain from that given relation, and this is nothing but the concept of converting given relation into differential equation by using derivative, that is called formation of differential equation. You can practice much more questions from your reference or textbook. Thank you.